Good morning, everyone. My name is Ignatius, and today I'm accompanied by Elvin. Today we will be teaching you how to create a share folder. So the first step is to connect to the same Wi-Fi. As you can see, we are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And then the next step is to right-click on the Wi-Fi icon, click on the Open Network and Internet settings, and then scroll down, select the Network and Sharing Center, and then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Okay, and then go to Private. Make sure that you turn on the network discovery and make sure this is ticked. And then you make sure that you turn on the file and printer sharing. You can ignore the guest and public. Go to the all networks. And then you have to make sure that you turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folder. And then make sure that this is checked, the use 128-bit encryption. And then for the password protected sharing, you have two options. You can either turn on the password protected sharing or you can turn it off. We will show you examples of it later. And then you click on Save Changes. Next up, you will need to create a share folder. So go to your Explorer and then go to Documents, create a new folder. And then you can name the folder whatever you want. I will name the folder Share File. Right-click the folder that you've created, select Properties, go to Sharing, click Share, and then click this arrow, click Everyone, and then click Add. And then after that, come to the permission level, click on this small little arrow, click Read and Write. Unless you want the person to only be able to read, you can select this option. But as of now, we would like everyone to be able to write something. So we will select this option and then you click Share. After this is done, this will prompt and then just click Done. After that, click on Advanced Sharing. And then after this comes up, click on Share this folder. And then this is the number of people that can use or that can stimulate your file at the same time. So you can change the number if you want, but I'm going to keep it the same. This is your file's name. You can rename this, and then this is your comment. So I won't be changing anything. So I'll be clicking Apply and OK. So this is basically it for now. And then once you have created your share folder, go down to Network, scroll down from the left to Network, and then if it doesn't appear for you, your friend's computer, click Refresh. And then it should appear. But to make things easier, if you want to rename your friend's computer, go to File Explorer again, this in here, click on this PC, right click, select Properties, and then go to Advanced System Settings, and then click on Computer Name, and then click on Change, and then you can change your computer name. As of now, mine and Elvin's computer are set to PC1 and PC2. Okay, and then you go back to network, and then once you've changed, it should also change in the network settings. And then now you can share your file to the other person. So for example, share file. And then you can select, for example, this. And then you can drag it or paste it in. And then you should be able to see the other person's in the other person should be able to access to your documents or file. So Alvin will share his screen to show you that the other person may receive the file. So this is Alvin's screen, as you can see. And then if he wants to access to the share folder, he will click on my PC, which is PC1. And then as you can see, I've created a few other share folder, but the one that we created just now was the share file. So he will click into the share file. And then as you can see, this was the document that I pasted in just now. All right, so yeah, and then for the password option, password sharing option, now for the option to enable the password for your share folder, you come back to this place. Again, right click on the Wi-Fi icon, select network and internet settings. Okay, and then scroll down, select the network and sharing center, and then change L1 sharing settings again, and then go to all network. And then you can turn on password protected sharing. Okay, after you have turned it on, when you go to the network area. Okay, so this is Alvin's computer. He has turned on or he has selected the password option. So when I try to go in, they will request the other user's computer username or the other user's window username and their password. So in order to gain access to Alvin's share folder, you would have to key in their Windows username and their computer's password. So I will give you an example. So this is Alvin's computer's or Windows username and his password, which I will not reveal to you. And then I click on OK. Because as you can see, I have entered Alvin's network, and he has created his own share folder, which is share3. And then yeah, this is all the stuff that we have shared with each other. Okay, this is the end. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.